Agricultural equipment is perhaps the most critical machinery in use today that directly provides for someone's livelihood. Keeping farm machines running right can be the difference between making a profit and going broke. Highway and Heavy Parts understands the need and demands farmers have for their equipment. That's why we've chosen Bosch as our fuel system parts supplier for the most popular agricultural applications in use today, like Case New Holland combines and tractors. So today I'm going to talk about one of our best-selling fuel injectors for the Case combine. Harsh operating conditions on the farm make your engine susceptible to debris in the fuel system, fuel contamination, and corrosion. This presents a big problem for your engine. You'll experience symptoms like rough running engine, hard starting, misfires, stalls, excessive heat and smoke, unusual noises, and loss of power. These symptoms can be indicators of an even bigger problem, a failure in your fuel system, more specifically with your fuel injectors or fuel pump. And if it's not diagnosed and repaired properly, these problems can lead to serious engine damage and expensive repairs, putting you and your combine out of work. Regular parts maintenance and clean quality diesel fuel are key factors in keeping your fuel system running right. When it comes down to it, you want quality, affordable diesel fuel system parts that can handle the demands of harsh working environments on the farm, and you want them fast. That's why Highway and Heavy Parts now carry genuine Bosch fuel injectors for Case New Holland agricultural applications. These are the same injectors your machine was built with. This injector offers improved fuel economy, higher torque, and reduced engine noise. Since it's built to Bosch OE standards with updated parts and brand new wearable components, you can be confident you're getting reliable, durable injector that's going to work as hard as your combine. Don't sacrifice quality to get the best price possible. We have it all right here. Genuine Bosch OE replacement parts for a fraction of the OEM dealer cost and backed by an industry-leading warranty. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about these parts or any other diesel engine components, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.